Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a method that fits your device and privacy needs. This matters because each approach blocks ads differently. You should sign in so premium checks are accurate and confirm your browser version before installing anything. Once done, allow extension installs or prepare to switch apps on mobile because permissions determine effectiveness. Make sure to close extra tabs to prevent interference, and keep an eye on whether you want subscription-based removal or a local blocking solution. You now install and configure the blocker. Choose uBlock Origin for strong control. After installation, open Settings and enable the recommended filter lists, then explicitly turn off any Allow Acceptable Ads option. This stops partial ad allowance. Once filters update, test on a short video to confirm fewer pre-rolls. For mobile, make sure to choose either YouTube Premium or a vetted ad-free app. Sideloaded tools vary, so read permissions before proceeding. Keep filters updated to maintain effectiveness. You finish by testing multiple videos and clearing cache. This forces the player to use updated filters. Make necessary exceptions for trusted channels by whitelisting them, then restart the browser or app to apply settings. If ads keep appearing, try disabling other extensions one at a time, because conflicts often re-enable ads. Alternatively, sign out of your Google account and test to isolate account-level issues. If problems persist, update or reinstall the blocker. This usually resolves corrupted settings or outdated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.